Hey guys, I had this idea to see if I could revive the old controller, just kind of to see what it could and to see how it would have been if I chose to keep the controller on the machine. Now, here's the goals I set for the project. First, see if the controller still works, re-input the parameters of the machine from my parameter sheet, find some way to convert the controller into a programming station, hopefully by just switching some parameters around. Set up RS-232 and successfully transfer a program to and from the machine. Maybe even try to export some of the parameters from the controller out of the machine. Also really want to see if I can post a program from Fusion and then import it into the controller. Now first, when I did some research on the controller, I found out that it actually has some 3D simulation capabilities. So that's something I really want to try, to see if I can get a 3D simulation or view of a part. That would have been pretty cool.
So this project is mostly just for fun. I kind of like geeking out about random stuff like this. I just really want to try this. I really want to try to see if I can revive it, input the parameters again, and then get a sort of programming station just for fun, just for fun. It'll also be a great way to test if the controller still works. And if I find out it doesn't work, then I can comfortably throw the garbage out. Well, let's get on with the project.
So I brought some fasteners, M5 Torx head instead of the garbage socket head, Umbraco, a soon-to-be round head, for that's the fucking deal with these garbage bolts. Every fastener on this machine is cheapest garbage they could, well, whatever. It's garbage. This is at least a bit better quality. Now, this ended up being a weird choice to spend time on. Doesn't necessarily look better, just looks like I replaced the screws. I don't know what I expected, but at least I get to enjoy the favorite part of working with this machine. That is taking the old fasteners and throwing them out in the trash where they belong. Well, now just need to clean a spot, and then we can take a look at the controller itself. Alright, cleaned a small spot. Oh, it's not that heavy at all. I remember it being much more finicky to work with. Look at those in the light. Beautiful. It's beautiful craftsmanship. Oh, what else do we got here? We have this cable for the power supply. We even have the RS-32 interface. Here we have the power supplies. Anything more? Oh, don't believe so. Let's close this up. There we go, have a small trap table here. Alright, I've downloaded the manual for the controller itself, as well as the electrical diagram for the machine. You can see, not there, but here we see where we need to control, to plug in the things. So, if we start with this, which is the RS-32. We have our RS-32. Needs to go into X25 in red. So we look for X25 in red. It's right there. There we go. First plug of the day. I don't really need the RS-32 right now. If I get this up and running, I would like to drip feed or just be able to transfer something. That would have been quite cool. I don't know if you can transfer parameters or something like that from the machine, so you'll be able to help someone else. That would have been pretty cool. Alright, what's next? I also need these. The battery for the backup parameters backup thing. All right, I've connected everything up. Time to give it a test. Fingers crossed it's going to work. Please, please work. Nothing exploded yet. Please don't. Not much is happening. Oh damn. Should we turn it on or something? Have a button to turn on? That would suck. Well, so I've just ordered another power supply, 24 volts, and some connectors, and I'm going for a short drive to get them. Alright, please, please, please work. Oh, there were definitely a pop. Oh my god, will you look at that? Will you look at that? Oh my god, holy shit. I'm a little concerned about what that pop was all about. Now's the fun part. Now we get to enter all the parameters in. I have the parameter list from both the controller manual and my machine manual. What I'm going to do now is get a new set of batteries so that it's actually remembering what I'm entering in. If I were to enter parameters now, it would not remember it when I shut it off. Yeah. All right. I'm just back from some quick victory lunch. Ooh. Now, I brought some batteries. I'll have to replace that. I'm going to turn the camera on. Alright, I got it out. Just like that. Alright. Got my parameter list. Let's see how far we come. Now, I'm a little excited about the fact that the machine does not have any motors or encoders or sensors active. Just feeding it all the old parameters from when it was connected to the machine. Now, what I'm a little curious about is, will it scream in agony when the head finds out it's in a glass jar filled with liquid and its body is nowhere to be found? That's the question I'm curious about. 4120, 4123. Alright, let's try again. Please work. Let's see, what does the control say? Testing the program storage, PGM. Oh no! No way! No, no, no. Oh no, what the fuck? Give me a second, I need to test this. Can you hear the frustration? Alright, let's... that hurts. So, I found the culprit inside the battery. This thing is as conductive as a piece of wood. So let's just try with some of this. Just grind it slightly and man, that sucks. Alright, now I'm getting a voltage through. So I'm just going to set just one parameter. I'm not going to set them all. Oh, there's so many. Parameter 10 is a 7. Come on, come on, come on. No. Man, this sucks so much. Now, what I'm thinking is, isn't there a place that I can set just programming? Shitty thing is that I can't search in this, there's no words. It's all images. Alright, hardware. Machine program and run. Tapping, there is no tapping on this machine.